Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today we are taking a look at a 2022 Jayco Pinnacle 36KPTS. So let's get started right up front with the beautiful full body paint. This full body paint job is absolutely beautiful. They painted on the fiberglass front cap and full body paint on everything. Right here we do have the MORryde pin box, very nice. And it is prepped for a generator underneath. This does have 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, frameless windows, dual awnings on the outside. Everything about this unit's top of the line. They use Goodyear tires, and we do have the solid steps that are hydraulic assisted. Inside, they're using darker colors, which nobody's a fan of, but the way Jayco did it in here is beautiful. You have the rear lounge up here with the nice cabinetry above. Theater seats with the entertainment center directly across. A beautiful kitchen island. Huge kitchen setup right over there. And then right here is the table and chairs. No carpet in the slide outs either. I love that. Coming up here, we do have an awesome bathroom with seriously one of the best showers in the RV industry. And then wrapping up in the master bedroom, nice king size bed with windows all the way around. Huge storage capable for a washer dryer. TV entertainment center here with, and it also does have the whisper quiet air conditioning unit. Well guys, that's a quick tour. Thank you so much for coming along this quick tour of the Jayco Pinnacle. If you want to see the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews Towables. Or if you know that this is the unit that you want to buy, click down in the link below and one of our fifth wheel specialists will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.